kuno. He himself knows he will die lonely. He wants to hold on to that to feel important. This election, no, an election for him to rule behind the scenes for another 4 years or 8 years. Bawumia there, don't see Bawumia as somebody who can be president. Abra Ekufuado, MPP, Ekufuado Tiasie. No. And they have deliberately yi gabi mu nyina free picture nim omo pese mu refi bone ne krono a omo abo ewudi a omo di nti omo anom forefront in the Ekufuado's government no and they omo take back seat and ankwasiafo no mo ekire no Samia Wuku kojo ponkroma sa asenso boache sa Samuel Abugina kwasiafo no omo de omo be nim the strikers nankasa akodi ekire and almost defendants nembra ya bobo no toneta strikers ni nyina beba. They have not gone anywhere. Jankroma mo kro no omo ko bebia o mesi wa hu omo nyina tete and they are doing things behind the scenes just for that power again. Some mistake na motam to me ma Bawumia motam to me ma Akwawi. This guy is over 80 years. He's got nothing to lose. We or mental problem onya normal obetuma boutu otna onkai. I'm telling you, obetuma my instruction yekunipa, he wouldn't remember. So people like that, you need to be very careful about them. This guy is evil. This guy is dangerous. Mama mom da da na free SHSB. Omunim say they just want to buy the power from you. So all the to me make Bawumia now able to take for the same team. Yeah. I'm sure Devi. Yeah, dear, but now you be can Ukraine chemo. Baby, amoduno, and your political party issue. It is about voting for the party that can take power. It is going to the ballot to tell yourself, say, Unim Bibi, Mempe NDC, Nanso, from the Emi Memanti, Jenkofo, we are here for the past 8 years, ne Jomunya Omobayenti, Mame Fama NDC. At least, why in Yansafwa de? Yeah? And Yamunyina na modo NDC, and I'm Pejo Mahama Sam. But at least, o time John Mahama kura o badie on time no. So o time John Mahama kura o yire on time no. Because you don't want to get to a point that obi jina wo so okasa wo yire open insan benkuma na open insan ifa yentwa left na yentwa right. O mpese obi be jina wo baso e de se kan wo ni yemu. Eyi ni yemu ade aka se wo de wo ehun se wo ye party we ni. You don't want that to even happen. Mumudodo amote Ghana intokwa sikima amokwan. I want to ask, especially as Antifodo do and the interquest wo Ghana mokwan. Muni epubia mokofa ship ako. Muni airport bia etu mude makwa Bruchiri Street. Ehena muko sirema kofa Burkina. Na siremu fo no mo wato mo. Na wenya ho akofure mako Burkina. Moko de elibo akofa de enzimafo no ho. Na enzimafo no mo wato mo. Na wetuma fa ho akọ Edian Cote d'Ivoire. Anamu betuto mafa akra akọ awonafo no ho aka chem so omoma mo besene nkọ Togo. These are things you think about. Say gitim wo Ghana ye na egu ase ha. Ye nyina ye nchene. And these people, the MPP, they are giving you the signal in the history of the Republic of Ghana. Yentuaba ya censor and I say ya black out media ba kumpo in the history of this country. This is an era where people have media stations, bloggers, people are making things transparent. Over America elections, Donald Trump and Kamala, they met bloggers. Yes, they had bloggers at their corner at their events. They met them and spoke to them. They know what they carry. I'm telling you, go and do your checks. The Kamala campaign, there was a blogger corner. Bloggers no. The president was going there to talk to them. They know what they carry. In 2024 by elections, Ghana catch them say, "Oh, select media." We should not allow this to go on. Majority of impeniform DH and omu disappointed here. At least it is about their interest. It is about their party. Se Ghana Beshia, they don't care. At least the Abehuka Kranono. It is about what they will get. It is not about the protection of our democracy. Asofobi ameyung say enyo munyina ne do Ghana. But wo enemy, we can protect the Ghana we want. We can protect this country by putting aside we party. For once, we should make a decision the interest of Minewo. The NPP is dangerous. Nana Dankwe Kufuado, until you people give power to John Mahama and John Mahama is sworn in, he's still dangerous. Nana Dankwe Kufuado, Gabi Ochredakon, Bedie Tuo, Oforiata, Bumpty, Sa MPP Abanwe, until Semobe swear John Mahama as president on the 7th of January. They are dangerous people. Samoto Aba 7 December, you still have to be on guard. These are crazy, dangerous people. Even after swearing in John Mahama, so we near 3 months or 4 months, you should be on guard because they have the plans to be a coup after 4 months of elections. I have heard Gabi on phone having that conversation. They still insist that John Mahama kura winia between January and March they will do a coup in Ghana. So you people should not underestimate anybody. Don't underestimate these people. Yeah, they minimum no. Me kano me show we so a man time be below Ghana o me so o yem.
Hospital. Now, Dr. Nakacho say, I did say, and now in one person who say, oh, I did say, oh, I did it is a typhoid, a hepatitis B and C, diabetes, a situation, cancer, a 20 percent, you're from and a from them, and a from and number, whom you are now, and a fake and HIV just after a week. You know, with me, I said, about when your numbers only some from what they eat, about fun way and tough for, I am a son, and I sang. I feel person who said, Papa, no, your back, I said, Emma, Nina, with your menstrual, Sister, I bet you love going and you what it has. Young Fidel, my swear, the years I would win in because the idea did a chair, but you're so proud. Young Massey, or for you, Yanni STC workshop, no anything anymore. They are a few to other ecosystem, remember that you're not penny.
0244 96 49 22 0541 1431 68.
Laboratory
for your free Amedilab Diagnostic Services. I work for from opposite STC yard. And I a branch back I work Menshia opposite the Zongo gate. And a topic back I have fire can want them a prostate. The prostate want them and a prostate enlargement. And then they can a prostate. It is a cat a prostate a organ be a warm memo. And say I take prostate. I can't want them because I saw a one for so baby a bema. And see prostate a gland be the kit will be a shed emergency to China. And the other pot I and say, I will ensure be a the cat bema who's you. I a friend a seminal fluid. It is like a idea be a nourish bema who's you, send a bear or neighbor or bear ne who and come one a ding. But I did back pa a can prostate once a mile, can say F. Johnson. In the prostate gland, no, ye will be a film I friend urethra. That is baby a bema or John sofa. Inti a hona ye be can want him. Inti prostate gland no. A idea be a bema engineer, net and also a yakese. Inti mostly no ye advises a bema be a unya be 40 years kwa. And so utu anamo ever a medical services, ever regular checkups, at least every 6 months. Be an 1 year be ever checking on the size of the prostate no. Into your from the years your sizes are shy who say we no size me normal and I say yakese into say prostate enlargement Rebecca say prostate enlargement bruni kind of BPH benign prostate hypertrophy and hyperplasia no. Then say prostate gland na America no adiketwa bi anyankopon abono but unyini ana and also yakese. The main cause of sad end of the year, shed and but associated with say a yini, a beman and none system, no any hormones now, a money a beman and also air juju. In the air from no nama prostate gland and also air cases. Net a day how the bray abreno. Mostly no a idea be a cast a tire familiar. In the say be a opa pebby enya prostate enlargement. Also, high risk prostate no
one of my guys in Ghana, the airport, there's somebody who was on a flight right now, United Airlines from the United States. I friend Kevin Taylor. The people thought it was me until they have taken him to the serious fraud office. A deal. So a flight from the US, United Airlines, about Ghana in Ray, and there was somebody on the flight, a friend Kevin Taylor, and they have sent their people to go pick the person up to the serious fraud office right now. Now, you see, I feel the pain in the heart of the NPP guys. Obi after the plane Eba Ghana, your friend Kevin Taylor and T much needed in serious fraud office right now as we speak. Okotoka. Because they thought to say it is me. So they have to go in and arrest the person. Intending to be for Kevin Taylor be more Ghana. Let me pick phone calls. Jimmy too much. Nah. I'm going to pick calls. Nah, your phone show no. I'm going to submit to my for 1 or 2. That means for Jumadi no embra the end. Where Jimmy rather yankopo. Mudi security asham kwasi phone same. Hey, Jimmy too much. All right. Calls. Mamenfa 1 or 2 ni ampon. Mame has a calls beba. Call Bena Ebasisia. Ghana watching or airport. Munja man nko. Me issue live. It is not me. So allow the guy to go home. We beg you. You'll be your friend Kevin Taylor. And Yamia. Also the Kevin Taylor. So you guys should allow this gentleman to go home. Munja in Kwasiadena Moyen or Ghana Hono. I am on air. I am not in Ghana. Hello, caller.
Hello. Hello.
Go ahead, boss.
Hello. Yeah, me the kakam person can say if I know that I'm Kevin Taylor. Now, Omonim say we are American citizen that they can't touch people as comebacks.
Let's just discuss what's on table today.
Oh, okay. Okay. The kakam person can say Ghana from Kotuma NDC na plans MPP for Afano to me enye.
But thank you very much. All right, Mamifa call another line. So hello, caller. Good evening. Yes, go ahead.
Good evening. Good evening.
I'm good.
Yeah, thank you very much for your great work you are doing for Mata Ghana. Jimmy Semuna ye kano. Yeah, just said now or your twin brother na. Do you look like the
let's
guy?
Let's just talk about and then Mr. Let's forget about the airport.
Anyway, Mate. When baby, a friend is James no. The question I was asking, just me when you know so. The question I'm asking is say, James no, are you on only duty? say obe select the media for election now because that is not their duty. So I don't know how Ghana for be allow say James Sane or no be choose the media no I don't know you cannot be stations in the media you are selecting for what? Now we are waiting so the church na na share say some way e be na say you may be different.
Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Hello caller.
Video.
Yeah, Vibio, go ahead.
Video. So, like you were saying, this Ashanti, when there's a war now, unless they all go and sit on Kufuor wheelchair and fly somewhere else.
Oh, I'm sorry, Money. I thought I was picking a call on the other side. Try and call back. Hello, caller. I thought I was picking the other phone. I'm sorry. Boss, this one is my fault. Hello, caller. Hello. All right. You're losing caller. I'm going to another caller. Hello, caller. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, I can submit you.
Yeah. Kelvin, good morning, brother.
Yes, sir.
The woman is say, yeah, but we the other nana council. So my imagine account for a MPP. I imagine some of Masum G Magana.
Kasa.
Hello.
Yeah, you too, Kasa.
We the different tribes. We after them. You better woman. Baby, don't be fabulous. Yakombe Sabruchu. Yawa, if you said the Ecosunia yenim, one more or more free or moba. The Ecos were gonna yenim baby free bar. Yenim one more soldier go ganum. It's with the different tribes. We are waiting for them.
Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Hello, caller. Ghana some Bibriam mobile. I don't know, but I feel bad for Ghana. I don't know for a reason. Me feeling very bad for Ghana for some reason. I don't know. I feel bad for you people. One more Ghana, and I have family in Ghana. It's terrible. I feel very bad. It's not good. Hello, caller.
Hello, Toja Bawala.
Good morning, Auntie Monica.
Yeah, that's with you. My pay your man. After me pede me mukum kasana me catch one woku vote. Mada kukumia davao to bedio da kajo mama kwatogyo kata la homa milo kata da hu ameko vuma no gamiko dala vuma ameko kakaji no gamiko da kakaji vote na we here nam ya ho Ghana listen there pada me catch am nkofo ne there all your ladies na gentlemen so wo ni nyina no won fa nkokwa na mbrowo obi ala da odo wode no full car won fa no full car no won koto na won won to me ichmu no na yanje Ghana ye face wo me da say.
All right, thank you very much. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Pacho Michamu. First of all, this is my first time I'm friend. I'm very grateful for them at Timia Menokasa. They may kind of say, we are outside Ghana, no. We see how vulnerable Ghanaians.
Yeah, yeah. When they are dead,
the
they
only
don't see
thing Ghanaians can do.
Yeah.
They don't see it.
They don't see it. No, they don't see it.
Sometimes it means to say, hey, like you people just let things pass. Like I said, they don't know. Like they don't see the value of like wherever that, and I say they don't know what's going on around them. But I'm say the end should be very strong. I'm try and put Ghanaians together with them. Na a democracy because I don't even feel like what am I going to do in Ghana? I don't see the point. Like
yeah,
because there is nothing going on that like for the past 8 years, Ghana has retrogressed so badly. Like who are Bontina Osha? But then me say, Missy Mejumem, Opia Wefi Ghana, but maybe 1 month. Then they are still defending MPP. Let me catch you saying,
Ghana side Beneko.
I don't want
Ghana side Beno Mukoye.
But Chomuba UK, Mimi or UK.
I want Ghana, Omoti Ghana, Omi and wine for Ghana.
But your main chantro, most of them are Asante for main chantro. And I want to say, you can see those people, no, like, being the first time Accra near say obefa plane about like airport about Bruchi. So if you see them, the way they reason, the way they talk, won't say like me too sometimes now when you me a small boy now ube advise me no mum na doing this way.
It's tough, right?
We still be pony. It's so like won't believe it. Like sometimes you don't even believe say like sometimes
yeah.
We see 24 hours economy. Me know ye Juma night. Me catch us 24 hours in the bay. The same person will tell you that it's not gonna work. Now I'm saying you are here working 24 hours. It's some people that started they say 24 hours. You are working in the system. You are saying it's not gonna work in Ghana. Like how do you reason beyond that?
Thank you, boss.
So sad.
I appreciate your call.
Thank you very much.
It's tough, man. Man. Hello, caller.
Hello, Mr. Kelvin.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Mr. Kelvin, if when you President John Dramani Mahama said, "Moving Kuma," which means countries say like before say about Abano on live television like entire trouble na no kikani once and for all.
Boss, let me be very honest. I know how you feel about this. Obia onim sa asem da Mahama Subiano, Obi Okabi Nebia Oboa. It's a lie. They know. Mahama is supposed to come on TV to come and convince Otis say Obi ka asema atu Mahama so na wonim say try. Nipa na oka na wonim say tro. Say Obi ende ka asema atu Mahama so say Mahama na edum so baya onim say nya Mahama na edum so baya. Enti sadia no kware, let's take it out. Your uncofo bi Ghana, they deliberately idea they enjoy doing. So I'm say nipa, I say Mahama. Mahama is not supposed to prove himself to anybody or a group of people. It is up to us, Ghana.
Could you believe that the last time Namini will be no more dear today about this temaport like I don't know like the person is still insisting that no temaport was sold by Mahama like
kind of mentality they believe in it, and it's a waste of time to try and talk to a foolish man or a stupid person. It will make you to look stupid. That's what I'm saying. You know the truth. This is not the time for Mahama to justify himself to anybody. Mahama is not supposed to come on TV and say the kafa we are tro. Say for the past 8 years, as some kafa Mahama will be an tro. They know that Ben Autis original stage aka in some of in 2016 after Mahama was Makabi because they know. Let's not even go there, boss. Thank you very much. All right. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kevin.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Patron Frefi, you are from me, Charles. Now, Kevin, the person can say, letter commission, we know a tribunal set by send this for any enforce. One say, almost say, Abano, a workim, on my research, be who's a workim now. Now, say, Tiffany by Adrian, who say about me, I call. Kumasi could be for 2 weeks or could be 2 weeks no who we know or say the 4 days can and the John person me ya say Kevin Hana strategy no one but the Sidamika no almost some percentage go Kumasi no mo say nya percentage no Kumasi a we ni sa election and media is now select to Kumasi or the omako Kumasi collection center hono no no figures say bia say APP nya e bia be 60,000 60% to Kumasi a no ma for the media ina say omo ka say MPP be nya 75% to Kumasi so far say MPP nya 75% to Kumasi there automatic NDC have MPP have opportunity to win and the strategy na Kumasi any eastern region now we say letter commission yes and because omo percentage be Kumasi normally, that percentage in research on my United say they are not going to get that kind of percentage. And almost person almost straight to chap with now Kumasi the Kevin, do you believe it's one minimum station in that?
That's it. But make we check Ghana for. Messiah, should we do this? Mr. P, should we do this tomorrow? The numbers from 2008 to 2024. Mahmoud Baumia, he cannot cross 61% in the Ashanti region, on to me. Mahamudu Bawumia. So across 61 we are banim. Yeah. So we'll follow Ghana politics. And Ochan, we will take our time and break things down for you to understand. Mahamudu Bawumia. Nanado Dankwe Kufuado. Number of the bar 2016. Technically in the history of NPP. And then the highest. And yet the first and the second against Kufuor 2004. But I can tell you on authority, Mahamudu Bawumia cannot cross 61% in the Ashanti region. On to me that. He can't. So Bawumia across 61 and the election has been rigged. Yeah. For 2-3. Mahamudu Bawumia cannot cross 61%. John Mahama NDC should fall between 29 and 31%. That's where they have to be. Yeah. Mese Utiemia Ochna Ebabeye Ejumebi Achiro. You understand, and I'll use their own figures to prove to you. Mahamudu Bawumia, MPP, most decorated and most sold candidate in the history of NPP, Ekufuado. Mahamudu Bawumia can never make Ekufuado's number. Inti Nanado Dankwe Ekufuado kura Oba 2016 in his second term he dropped about 4 points. Mahamudu Bawumia cannot cross 61% in the Ashanti region. So trust 61 your election ya kangum. Yeah, he can't. That is why they are panicking. And their own national security over conducting 11 surveys while crossing 61%. They know Bawumia cannot cross 61%. Hello, caller. Hello,
Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
Kelvin.
With you.
I like your submission. It's very perfect. But I want to tell you something. You see, NDC, if they are going to win this election, they should revisit 2008. They should revisit 2008. The tactics the NDC used to win that election. That's what is going to go on. It's not all about election. It's about guerrilla taking over power from MPP. That's how it's going to be dirty.
Thank you very much. All right. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good evening, Kasamitio.
Good, Kevin. Where is this, like, you Asante for no Mukayano? So unfortunate, say, you are papa for woman. Now, one bomb pioneer was you or Ghana. Look, the North. You are Burkina Faso, they're the one best, no. Omo grandfather neko Burkina Faso, Burkina Faso. So the government called the Moshis their grandparents, and the Moshis they don't joke with Ghana. Moshis bebre wa Ghana. So omo kasa quite said that the government the Moshi it say Asante. So there is a war. The government, the northern, they have where to go. The Burkinabes will embrace them. The eastern region, Volta region. The Togo is there for them. Togo and Benin is there for them. Western region, Abricos, for them. And country, the whole country, all the tribes, Ashanti for but it's so unfortunate. You want Papa for now, a bonny for now, a cover woman. And there's a war. Ghana for now, they cannot go to any country. The Nigerians are waiting for them. The Ivorians are waiting for them. Burkina Faso because the president now in Burkina. To say na problem ba to say I'm not venture because not for they don't care they'll deal with them.
But I say so what you've seen a very delicate and I nipa bi dream say nipa bi no mo ba kire no there are so many people who have outlets ye ne e wo form ha no ye ni bebi akọ ewo ni ba ni bewu ne kase enti ani adwen say titru ye ne ahemfo na ye wo Akan region ha na ya adwen say ye din NPP nya de omo ye no etitin obi ani obeso ohini bia wa pakan mu ohini bia betu ne nemu mrika. Mahamudu Bawumia cannot make 61% in the Ashanti region. He can't. Alam Shemantin is in the picture. John Dramani Mahama, Akamfo Asantefo Munimu Nyansa, any Amanfra for more Asantime will never make a mistake to vote for Bawumia. So we follow Ghana politics. That is why they are panicking. They know Bawumia cannot cross 61%. They know. Bawumia can never cross 61. Hey? In the elections, Bawumia, Jimia, Obe make the same numbers or make here during their primaries. 39. Between 36 and 39. That is where Bawumia will stay in the elections. They know. They have done their research. They have done everything. Mahamudu Bawumia in the Ashanti region uncrosses 61%. He can't. And until I'm sorry, the Kofi Boachi atem with silly hosts in That's what I'm saying. Every Ghanaian should be part of this election. Every Ghanaian. Where your NDC NPP, where Ghana against the NPP that wants to kill us. Because you see, Ahimfubi, Impenifobi, Asofobi are behind the NPP to destroy this nation. Until see enemy to us. And the enemy are to us and say, you better aba. Ye ya ban with you. Near moment in Atia says a crew no muntu mintinimo muntu. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kelvin.
Yeah. Meet you, Kasa. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, Kelvin.
Go ahead. I can hear you, Kasa.
Yeah, you see, they are counting on the soldiers, but the soldiers, they are divided. The soldiers, we have NDC soldiers now, and we have NPP soldiers. And the NPP, a few of them, those who are benefiting from them. So, Kasa, even the police are divided.
Mm-hmm.
They are just...
Yeah, go ahead. Don't listen to your TV. Just keep speaking. Your TV.
Mr. Kelvin,
Bibiaboko Kasa.
You could imagine say staff Photoshop will be a window or anything. Maybe a tech one ma overhead now must train the other people.
Yeah. So
you could imagine
shop, you know. Yeah.
You could imagine that a one campaign where you can teach now what did you campaign teach now? I didn't say I you Photoshop.
Who do take her?
You train your phone to social media different. I do your Photoshop.
So just
it's only you do on another way.
Yeah.
Okay, I call the man. Okay, I did some of the construction now near Mount Infrastructure in the benefit of Mama or commercial, and they've done this kind of Yamano.
Easy. But I say thank you very much. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kavit. Good morning.
Go ahead.
Yo, in fact, mimi uni madie bakwa mdi nkaminya ya nkambrofi be yamaye ewa Ghana. Nyanka nyamenya ombe yamaye mani be sopare se aka 1 week to election no mo bia enfly enfi Ghana. Including yempeni ne nyina. See, se we penny asa wuti o maimu bra ya bedri wo de wo so wo kentenuma kase enti BBC a won kasa ho a se ya nyina ye betino maimu ma obi antukwan se be ya se omotena ho na ye kokoto aba no na BBC a ya nyina ye nhwe kwan a ye befa so a ye betena Ghana, and that will be fine for our leaders. Because if Jermaine says yes, and nyina Kevin, what come from day one? But it seems our leadership, especially the chiefs, are sorry say VBS fair politicians. Look, the youth today, I don't think any of our leader will go and accept any decision that will back one thing. Back to their place because they refuse to speak. They refuse to talk. You can't create trauma. They say they won't use it to do anything because MPP never power. Well, say MPP never power there. Point now ya bedrunu. Ya bedru babia. Nobody will sit down and say, I am bowing for you because you are a leader, because you have failed to act as a leader. So we have to take our destiny into our own hands and fight for it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your call. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. All right. My name for last caller. And I'm in Pong. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Lower TV, no. Yeah. Go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Alaji Carmen from Tamale.
Alaji, go ahead.
Yeah, Mr. Jahbless, you see, we are men, soldiers are men, we civilians are men. I swear to God, they shouldn't try to steal the election for MPP. They shouldn't try. Whatever they think they are, we are also after. And we are well prepared. I swear to God, the voting day, we might them boot to boot. And the electoral commissioner, the kind of tactics he's playing to rig the election for MPP, we are aware. We are preparing for that D-Day. And God knows best. They shouldn't think that they have guns, they hold guns. We are all one because of the guns and the uniform that we respect. That we respect, not them. We are all men, and each and everyone have one life. And some of us, I wouldn't say much. God day, we are waiting for the D-Day.
Thank you very much. That's it for today's phone in. My name is Kelvin Akoberu. It's been a wonderful Tuesday afternoon. It's exactly 8 p.m. US East Coast time. Is definitely 1 a.m. in Ghana. On YouTube, we have 4,194 live eyeballs. We are live on TV. We are live on radio. We are also live on YouTube and Facebook. I really appreciate your time. I can see Ambitious Osei. I can also see Francis Abobi. Lady Jenny is live here. Gloria is watching me. I can also see Nine Kings, Ima Asari on Facebook. So many people right now. Kofi Amponsa, also Matilda Ahiabo. We have Chris Jemfi Boating watching me on Facebook, on YouTube. Half Pop is also here. Mela is live on YouTube. Matilda is back again. So many people. Chris Dollar is live on Facebook. Serenity McCarthy is live on Facebook. Nikki Atta Bruni is also live. YouTube, I can see Kenneth. Facebook, Princess. YouTube, Charity Pukia, and also Young Cisse. My name is Kevin Taylor. Thank you very much, family, for being here. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We will be here to discuss Ghana. Be good. I will be good. Let's all go out and vote 7th of December. Go early. If you're traveling, travel 3 days before the elections. Make sure you look for the umbrella. Vote for the
prostate enlargement. Problems. And I also a woman over checking on as young as no say they are 30 years, 40 years. Over checking on prostate size no. Into most men say a prostate enlargement. Problems be